After
食人隻車
I continue introducing another idiom related to Chinese chess in this video. It is
馬後炮馬後炮
Its direct translation is a cannon behind a horse. The attack power of
馬
and
炮
is just behind
車
in Chinese chess, and they move differently. If the horse piece can capture opponent's piece, placing the cannon piece behind the horse may be unnecessary. Therefore,
馬後炮
implies it is easy to be wise after the event. For example,
邊個唔識馬後炮啊？邊個唔識馬後炮啊？
in English, it means, who don't be wise after the event. Or change it into statement, it means everyone is wise after the event.
我唔要聽你嘅馬後炮，我唔要聽你嘅馬後炮。
In English, it means, I have no use for your hindsight. The idiom
事後孔明，事後孔明
can exactly replace the idiom.
馬後炮
It means being Kongming after the event. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.